We present the Unified Autonomy Stack, an open source framework toward a blueprint for generalizable robot autonomy. The architecture of the stack is organized around three synergistic modules: multimodal perception, multi-behavior planning, and multi-layered safe navigation. Together, they enable full mission autonomy across aerial and ground robots operating in GNSS-denied, perceptually degraded, and physically demanding environments. At the perception level, the stack fuses LiDAR, FMCW radar, vision, and inertial sensing within a factor graph formulation, enabling resilient localization and high-fidelity mapping. By combining pre-integrated IMU, LiDAR geometric, radar Doppler, and visual between factors, the system maintains performance under severe perceptual degradation, including self-similarity, obscurance such as fog or smoke, icy regions, and low light conditions. Exploiting such geometric understanding, the perception module further incorporates vision language models, enabling semantic scene reasoning, object-centric mapping, and visual question answering. Building upon the capabilities of the perception module, the stack provides unified planning capabilities across robot morphologies. It constructs both volumetric and elevation maps to support information gain estimation, collision checking, and traversability analysis for aerial and ground robots. A shared planning kernel, based on a bifurcated local-global architecture, enables diverse behaviors, including planning to a target, exploration, and inspection. Safety is at the heart of the stack's design. Beyond conventional map-based collision avoidance, the stack adopts a multi-layered safety paradigm. Planned trajectories relying on map-based collision checking are not followed blindly. Instead, exteroceptive depth-driven navigation policies, based on reinforcement learning or neural model predictive control, react online to potential unmapped obstacles or odometry errors. As a final safeguard, a composite control barrier function enforces formal last resort safety directly from the range measurements. To assess its performance and resilience, we evaluate the Unified Autonomy Stack through extensive real-world experiments across aerial and legged robots, deployed in diverse environments including forests, underground mines, tunnels, ship cargo holds, frozen lakes, and urban facilities. This video presents instances from an indicative subset of the conducted experiments, employing different robotic systems and sensing options. First, we present a part of the results of the deployment of an aerial robot integrating the Unipilot payload. In the first experiment, the robot was tasked to explore an underground mine containing multiple branches and low-light conditions. Second, we deployed the robot in a forest to explore the allotted area, navigating through trees containing thin branches. Finally, the third experiment evaluated the exploration and inspection behaviors in a ship cargo hold without any prior map information. The Unified Autonomy Stack was also tested on a legged robot carrying the Unipilot payload. In the first experiment, the robot was deployed in an underground mine to explore one mine shaft. The mine shaft had gaps on the side at instances requiring careful planning and locomotion. Through the use of the elevation map, the robot was able to successfully navigate in these settings. The second deployment was in a university building, involving navigation through narrow corridors. The robot successfully completed the 800-meter-long mission, handling multiple branches, varying environment scales, and narrow openings. The navigation module is tested in two real-world experiments, demonstrating specific capabilities of the multi-layered safety approach. In the first experiment, the aerial robot is deployed in a forest for a waypoint navigation task, without a guiding path from the planning module. Both the SDF neural MPC and the exteroceptive RL policy, in combination with the composite CBF, are tested. In the second experiment, we evaluate the ability of the stack to handle unmapped obstacles appearing in the planned path. Both the SDF neural MPC and the exteroceptive RL, in combination with the composite CBF, are able to avoid the newly appeared obstacles. Next, we evaluate the SLAM module under various conditions of perceptual degradation. First, we deploy on another aerial robot in two urban tunnels characterized by self-similar geometry and low visibility, respectively. Second, the aerial robot is flown over a frozen lake in Norway. The lake presents an environment with extremely low geometric features and self-similar geometry. Finally, the third experiment involved a dataset collected using a handheld Unipilot module on the university campus. The module is taken through an area completely filled with fog, resulting in complete LiDAR and visual degradation. In spite of this, the multimodal SLAM fusion is able to provide robust odometry. We test the VLM-based reasoning in two datasets: the handheld university dataset collected for SLAM evaluation and the university campus mission of the legged robot. In the first dataset, the object detection module is able to detect and localize objects both indoors and outdoors. Furthermore, the Q&A module is able to correctly identify if certain areas are safe for humans as queried. Similarly, in the second environment, the module is able to detect the relevant objects and able to provide reasonable answers based on the image input. Collectively, these indicative results demonstrate resilient, mission-level autonomy across robot morphologies, environments, and conditions. The complete implementation of the Unified Autonomy Stack, alongside supporting datasets and documentation, are openly released to support verifiability, reproducibility, and community-based extension. Thank you.